Cozy bedroom with a stunning log bed. Imagine waking up in a bedroom that feels like a dreamy cabin retreat, surrounded by the rich textures of natural wood, a cozy atmosphere, and timeless rustic charm. Sounds inviting, right? Welcome to Kuki Decor. Today, we're diving into the world of wooden log beds, exploring breathtaking designs, styling tips, and expert insights to help you transform your space. If you love home decor and want more inspiration, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Kuki Decor for amazing design ideas daily basis. Now, let's get started. A wooden log bed brings warmth, rustic charm, and a natural aesthetic into a bedroom, making it an inviting retreat from the outside world. The beauty of log furniture lies in its timeless appeal, as well as its ability to blend seamlessly with various interior styles, from classic cabin aesthetics to contemporary rustic decor. The design possibilities for log beds are vast, ranging from simple and understated structures to intricate, handcrafted masterpieces that highlight the natural textures and colors of wood. One of the most compelling aspects of log beds is their ability to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, transforming an ordinary bedroom into a sanctuary of comfort and relaxation. Log beds are typically crafted from a variety of wood types, each lending a unique character to the overall design. Pine, cedar, aspen, hickory, and oak are among the most popular choices, each offering distinctive grains, knots, and textures that enhance the bed's organic appeal. The choice of wood also influences the durability and maintenance of the bed. For instance, cedar is known for its aromatic scent and natural resistance to insects, making it a practical and aesthetically pleasing option. Hickory, on the other hand, is incredibly durable and adds a rugged, robust feel to the furniture. The type of finish applied to the wood can also impact the bed's appearance. Some prefer a natural, unfinished look that showcases the wood's raw beauty, while others opt for polished, stained, or distressed finishes to complement a particular decor style. Design variations for log beds are nearly endless, allowing homeowners to find or create a piece that perfectly suits their space and personal taste. A traditional log bed often features a simple frame made from thick, round logs with visible knots and natural imperfections, preserving the wood's authentic character. Some designs incorporate peeled logs, where the bark is carefully removed to expose a smooth, polished surface while retaining the natural contours of the wood. For a more refined appearance, milled logs can be used, creating a sleeker and more uniform structure. Headboards and footboards can be designed with intricate carvings, curved lines, or geometric patterns, adding artistic elements that elevate the bed's overall aesthetic. For those who prefer a more dramatic look, log canopy beds provide an impressive focal point in the bedroom. These beds feature tall, sturdy log posts that support a horizontal frame, which can be left open for an airy feel or draped with fabric for a cozier, more enclosed sleeping space. Canopy beds work particularly well in spacious bedrooms with high ceilings, where their grand structure can be fully appreciated. Adding soft, flowing curtains and neutral tones can enhance the rustic charm while introducing a touch of elegance to the overall decor. Another popular variation is the log bunk bed, which is ideal for cabins, vacation homes, or children's rooms. Bunk beds maximize vertical space and maintain a rustic theme while offering functional sleeping arrangements for multiple occupants. These beds can be designed with sturdy ladders, railings, and built-in storage solutions to optimize space efficiency. Some designs even incorporate unique elements such as tree branch railings or whimsical carvings that evoke a fairy tale-like ambience. A variation of the bunk bed is the loft-style log bed, which elevates the sleeping area, leaving ample space beneath for a study desk, seating area, or additional storage. For a contemporary twist, log beds can be paired with modern elements to create a fusion of rustic and industrial styles. Combining raw, unpolished logs with metal accents, such as steel brackets or iron legs, results in a unique juxtaposition that blends the organic with the mechanical. Minimalist log bed designs focus on clean lines and simple forms while retaining the natural beauty of the wood. The incorporation of upholstered headboards, sleek lighting fixtures, and neutral bedding can soften the rusticity of the logs, making the design more adaptable to modern interiors. Storage-integrated log beds are another practical and stylish option. These beds feature built-in drawers, shelving, or underbed compartments that maximize functionality without compromising aesthetic appeal. Storage compartments can be seamlessly integrated into the bed frame, allowing for a clutter-free and organized space. Some designs also include hidden compartments, perfect for storing seasonal bedding, extra pillows, or personal belongings. This type of design is especially beneficial for smaller bedrooms where optimizing space is crucial. Handcrafted log beds often feature detailed carvings and embellishments that highlight the artisan's craftsmanship. Whether it's intricate woodland scenes, animal motifs, or Native American-inspired patterns, these embellishments add character and storytelling elements to the bed. The uniqueness of handcrafted beds ensures that no two pieces are exactly alike, making them a treasured addition to any home. Customization options allow homeowners to work with artisans to create a bed that reflects their personality and design preferences. Aside from aesthetic considerations, log beds also provide functional benefits, such as exceptional durability and sturdiness. The solid construction of log furniture ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a bed that can withstand the test of time. Unlike mass-produced furniture, which often relies on engineered wood or synthetic materials, log beds are crafted from solid wood, providing a level of resilience and authenticity that is hard to replicate. When styling a bedroom with a log bed, complementary decor elements can enhance the rustic charm. Natural materials such as wool, linen, and cotton work beautifully alongside wood, creating a harmonious and inviting ambience. Earth-toned color palettes, including warm browns, deep greens, and soft beiges, further emphasize the connection to nature. Layering textures through chunky knit blankets, faux fur throws, and plush rugs adds depth and coziness to the space. Lighting also plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Soft, warm lighting from bedside lanterns, pendant lights, or wall sconces enhances the rustic aesthetic while providing a cozy atmosphere. Pairing log beds with different decor styles can create unique and personalized interiors. A farmhouse-style bedroom can incorporate whitewashed log beds with vintage-inspired linens and distressed wooden furniture to evoke a cozy, country chic feel. A Scandinavian-inspired space may feature a sleek log bed with minimalistic decor, neutral tones, and light wood finishes, emphasizing simplicity and functionality. For a bohemian look, eclectic textiles, macrame wall hangings, and vibrant color accents can be combined with a rustic log bed to achieve an artistic and free-spirited ambience. Industrial-style decor can be achieved by pairing a log bed with exposed brick walls, metal light fixtures, and reclaimed wood furniture, creating a balance between raw, natural elements and modern urban aesthetics. Accessorizing a log bed with matching furniture pieces, such as nightstands, dressers, and benches made from the same type of wood, creates a cohesive look. Repurposed wood furniture, reclaimed timber accents, and handcrafted decor pieces can reinforce the rustic theme. Additionally, incorporating elements like woven baskets, wooden trays, and pottery further enhances the natural aesthetic. Wall art featuring landscapes, wildlife, or abstract wooden carvings complements the organic feel of the space. Outdoor-inspired log bed designs take cues from nature, incorporating elements such as live-edge headboards, branch-like supports, or log slices arranged in artistic patterns. These designs celebrate the imperfections and irregularities of wood, embracing the wabi-sabi philosophy of finding beauty in imperfection. For those who enjoy a strong connection to the outdoors, positioning a log bed near large windows with scenic views enhances the sense of tranquility and harmony with nature. While log beds are often associated with rustic and traditional decor, they can also be adapted to eclectic, bohemian, or even Scandinavian-inspired interiors. Mixing log furniture with modern decor, vibrant textiles, or minimalist accents creates a visually interesting contrast that blends old-world charm with contemporary sophistication. The adaptability of log beds allows them to serve as statement pieces in a variety of settings, making them a versatile choice for interior design. In conclusion, wooden log bed designs offer an exceptional blend of beauty, functionality, and durability. Their ability to transform a bedroom into a cozy and inviting retreat makes them a sought-after choice for homeowners who appreciate natural materials and rustic aesthetics. With a wide range of design options, from traditional to modern interpretations, log beds can be customized to suit individual tastes and spaces. Whether opting for a simple, unembellished frame or an elaborate, handcrafted masterpiece, a log bed serves as the perfect centerpiece for a warm and welcoming bedroom. That's a wrap on today's video. A wooden log bed is more than just a piece of furniture, it's a showstopper that adds warmth, charm, and a touch of nature to your space. What do you think? Would you add this stunning piece to your home? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more amazing home decor ideas. Stay inspired, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.